Hey everyone, how about first checking the result before talking about it? Actually, I've imported an STM32 Blinky project into VS Code. And here's the result running on the Blackfield board. Now, let me change the time interval to 200. First, I'll click on the build icon. And it will build without any error. Next, I click on the flash icon, and the chip is being flashed. Finally, take a look at the result. As we expected, the LED is blinking faster now. That's it. Let's start from the beginning. I assume you already have Keil and VS Code installed. First, open VS Code and click on the extension option from the left side and type Keil in the search bar. Select it. Then click on the installation option on the right side and wait for installation to finish. Now, click on the Manage button and open the extension settings. In the UV4 path section, you must enter the path of the Keil executable file. To do this, click on the Keil icon and select the open file location. After opening the path, copy its address and now enter the address here. And finally, add the name of the executable file. Now close the settings. Now, click on the Explorer item from the left side. You should see the Keil microversion project here. Click on it and hit the plus sign and select the project. This lovely guy asks you if you want to switch the item. Say OK. We're nearly done with our project. There are just a few minor tasks left for us to finish up. First, since we are programming in C language, installing the C CPP extension pack is better. Probably VS Code will suggest you to install this extension, then install it. In the second step, you should add this folder to the project folder. Now close VS Code and add this folder to the project folder. Now open the folder and you will see two files here. Click on this file and open it with any editor you like. This is the settings file for your project. Put the name of the project in name field and change the paths in the include path field, as it is for your project. Of course, this path will be different for your project than mine. Finally, in the Define section, you should enter the items used by Keil. For this, open your project in Keil and click on Options for Target and open C CPP section. Then add each item here to the file. Now, save and close this file and open the project using VS Code. And boom, it's done. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and please don't forget to subscribe. See ya.